Okay, we are looking at the effect OSNDGRP. That's Object Sound Group. There's several things of significance in this particular object. The effect is its name, and that determines which effect is being used. The effect parameter is either a 0, a 1, or a -1. We'll talk in a moment about the different functionality that is brought out by each of those options. The tag is, as usual, a way of stimulating this object, or one could bump into it. Now in the auxiliary, sound 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, these are the sounds of the group. Now these sounds can either be played all at once, or they could be played sequentially, or they could be played randomly. These numbers are a loop count. In this particular auxiliary, since you'll notice that we have an effect parameter of 0, that means when this object is stimulated, it's going to play all of the sounds at once. This is going to play letter F, A, which is a female saying the letter A. It's going to say that twice. At the same time, B is going to be repeated 3 times, C is repeated 4 times, D is repeated 5 times, and E is repeated 6 times. If these were left as 0, then these upper sounds would play just once. So an effect parameter of 0 means play them all at the same time. Now if we look at this other object, its auxiliary is F, G, H, I, J. We have the same number count, only in this case the sounds are going to be played one after the other. After new stimulus. You tag the object once, it plays the first sound. You tag it again, it plays the second. You tag it again, it plays the third. You tag it again, it plays the fourth. Tag it again, it plays the fifth. And then this other object has a -1, and in this case we have K, L, M, N, O with the various loop counts, and a -1 means play one sound at a time, randomly select the next sound from the filled in sound slots. So that's the rundown on how this should function. Now let's see if it's actually doing what we expect. Oops, forgot one thing. If you look at these tags like 710, 710 is the tag issued anytime the J key is pressed on the keyboard. 711 is issued anytime the K key is pressed on the keyboard, and 712 is the tag issued anytime the L key is pressed on the keyboard. So we don't have to shoot projectiles at these objects to make them work. We can just press keys on the keyboard. So I'm pressing the J key. All of the sounds played at once, and you can hear that the E was repeated 6 times. Now we'll press K.
F, G, 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 H, 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 I,
And finally
J, 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 J.
each was repeated the number of loops as indicated by the number, and they were stimulated in sequence. Now pressing L,
Home, 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 home. K, K, M, M, N, N.
They're being played randomly. So this is the OSND group. You can use it in many ways. Its main effect is to allow you to play several sounds at once without having to use a multiplicity of O sound objects. It's basically a group of O sound objects. Alright, good luck with your blue lining, and we'll see you next tutorial.